If you want to charge other devices with your Samsung Galaxy Z Flip 7 or Z Flip 7 FE, here's what you can do. We have two options. We have wired as well as wireless power sharing. So if you want to try wireless power sharing, if your other device has wireless charging option, then we can go to settings. And then if you proceed to battery, you should be able to find wireless power sharing option. So we need to turn it on. And before you turn it on, you can also set the battery limit when the wireless power sharing should stop. And once it is enabled, let's actually close our Z Flip 7, place it on the reverse like this. So here we have our back. And now your other device can just be placed on the top of it, like so, in order to start charging. There we go. So this is one of the methods. And of course, another way to charge other device is by using the USB-C cable. So let's actually turn this off. In order to charge other device, you have to have USB-C cable. You have it originally, so you can use the same one that you use for charging your Z Flip 7. And essentially, you need to connect two devices with that USB cable. So let me quickly do that. I'm just gonna connect this one over here and the other one to my other phone, like so. And after that, you should see that we are apparently charging our Z Flip 7, although I'm not sure if it's really charging. And let's go to notifications, and then you can tap on USB for charging phone up here. At the bottom, we have charge connected device, so turn this option on. And there we go, we are charging our other device. And that's pretty much it. Thanks for watching, leave a like and subscribe.